Think you can blast concrete and wood with the same nozzle? Dead wrong. That 15-degree yellow tip is perfect for stripping tough stains off concrete driveways. But aim it at wood and you'll gouge holes straight through. Wood needs a 40-degree white nozzle minimum, keeping that wide, gentle spray at least 12 inches away. The narrower the angle, the more concentrated the pressure. Concrete can handle that intense 15-degree punch because it's hard as rock. Wood fibers, they'll splinter and shred under that same force. Always match your nozzle to your surface, or you'll be replacing what you're trying to clean. Start wide, test first, and never assume one angle fits all. Your surfaces will thank you.